All right, agencies out there, if you're watching this video or if you run a small business and your clientele is local businesses in your area, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm giving, you can sell this calculator or lead generation tool. I like to better call it because it's what it does is it gets leads for your clients. And you can sell these over and over again for $500 to $1,000 to your contractor clients per install. Like I said, you could do this over and over again. This takes literally 30 seconds to install, and it's live. So it's not going to take much of your time, and it's going to be extremely high return on investment. And everybody that doesn't have a calculator of your clients, that don't have a lead generation tool, is going to want these. So this is the one I'm giving away for free right now. It's called this is a wallpaper installation cost calculator. I have a whole interior cost calculator pack, which covers 6 areas of the home. It basically covers every area of the home, bathroom, kitchen, flooring, you name it. And that's going to be available right down here where it says interior lead machine. Click that and you can see what I am offering if you like this particular calculator, because they're pretty much the same thing. But this one I'm giving away 100% for free. So if you want to sign up for this free tool after you watch this demo, it's going to be the first link in the video description box below. The second link will be the actual link to this calculator. So you can come on over here, play with it, see how you like it and all that good stuff. But the first link is going to be me sending you the HTML files so you can get this up and running on your site, have it in your arsenal, and you can sell this over and over again to your contracting clients. And like I said, if you like this, then you can grab the whole pack. With that being said, let me dive in here. This has got 2 modes. One's a homeowner mode and one is the contractor mode. I'm going to put it into the contractor mode. And you got project details and advanced pricing control. As you can see right here, if I switch this off from contractor mode to homeowner, that disappears. So we're going to put it in contractor mode. You select your room type, number of walls, wall height, square footage of the area being painted in this case. Or I mean not painted, for wallpaper installation in this case. Your wallpaper type. It's got pattern. It's got a prep works needed. Wall condition, accessibility if it's moderate, if it's normal, easy to get to, or difficult like a high ceiling, for example. You got 3 options to choose from there. Old wallpaper removal, none, yes, difficult or easy. And then you got your agency controls. And these give you a low, mid, and high range estimate on pricing. It's going to give you a ballpark figure based on current pricing, like 2026 pricing nationwide. So it'll give them a nice ballpark figure for how much their, in this case, the wallpaper installation is going to cost them for the homeowners that visit if it's on their site or visit your site, whatever it may be. And it's got a call now button here. You can edit this and put the number in for whatever business you are or your client. You can put that in right here. I'm going to show you that in a second. You can email the estimate, print estimate, what is included. Tells you material cost estimates, pattern waste allowance, removal costs, professional labor costs, wall prep costs, regional pricing. And here's the agency settings. This is where it gets really cool. So you can see as you scroll to the top here, it's blue and it's got wallpaper installation cost calculator. If we come down here, we can put in our company name. I'm just going to put in Jay's Marketing. We can put in a phone number, and we'll put this one in. Email, I'll put my email in, and then we can change the color. Say we don't want the blue, we want something different. We want green or yellow or red or whatever it may be. We can change that here. We're going to do green. And then you got default to contractor mode, show call button, which I got on, show email button, show print button. And there's a helpful demo video down here. It shows you how, if you want the HTML, to put this on your site. Like I said, this is absolutely free. First link directly below. And there's a video here that shows you how to do it. Anybody could do it. It takes like 30 seconds. Super easy. So as you can see here, it switched to Jay's Marketing, what I just did. It switched to green, the background. So it's customizable. The call now button now has the number that we put in. So you can literally customize this in seconds. And like I said, you could charge $500 to $1,000 easy for anybody that runs any kind of contracting business is selling wallpaper. Like I said, I got a pack of 6 lead machines, and they cover every area of the interior part of the house. Cabinets, kitchen, floors, bathrooms, you name it. And that is going to be directly below where it says grow your business. You can check that out for yourself if you're interested. Just want the free calculator, that's fine too. Like I said, the first link directly below. But these are excellent tools that you can charge your clientele. If you're an agent, you can charge your clientele, like I said, easily $500 on upwards to $1,000, if not more, to install these on their sites. And it's literally going to take you seconds to do it and customize it for your particular client. This is a great upsell is what I'm getting at for your clientele. So want to check this out? Links directly below. Thanks for watching this video, and come on, check it out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.